kapag higit, pwede pumikit, lalo na kapag hindi nyo kaya ang legit. Rosmar
lang ang malakas.
Rosmar
lang ang malakas.
Hi everyone! Just a quick reaction video regarding to Rosmar candidacy for Councilor sa 1st District of Manila. So if you're not familiar with Rosmar, she's an influencer and wala siyang kahit anong background sa politics. But this year, naisipan niyang maghain ng candidacy. So I don't know about these people, especially to influencers and artists who thinks that giving charity and kindness is enough to be a great leader. First and foremost, politics is not an experiment. We deserve a leader who knows what they are doing, not someone na gagawin lang namang for trial and error at akala yata nila leadership training program ang pinapasok nila. And based sa statement ni Rosmar na lahat naman daw ng bagay ay pwedeng matutunan, I don't think pwede mo siyang i-apply sa lahat, especially to politics. Dahil politics requires knowledge and expertise to serve people. And may sinabi pa siya na ang importante daw ay bukal sa loob mo ang pagtulong. So, for me, being a good government official ay hindi nagtatapos sa willingness mo lang tumulong. Kailangan natin ng leader na magaling, matalino, at ang importante sa lahat, may alam sa batas. And kung totoo na sinasabi mo na ang intention mo lang naman ay tumulong, pwede kang tumulong kahit wala ka sa posisyon. Unless you want power. So, bakit ko ba ginawa yung video na to? To remind everyone to vote wisely. Sana po alam natin yung deserve natin na maging leader ng bansa. So, please check their credentials kung sila ba ay nararapat, meron ba silang maiaambag, at kung sa tingin nyo ay magiging maayos, di ba, yung pagiging leader nila. So, not just because influencers or artists or someone na popular ay iboboto niya na. Sana po mas maging matalino tayo. So, ayun lang. So, thank you guys for watching. So, please do subscribe and mag-comment na rin po kayo. Na-miss ko po kayo. Bye guys!